Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Saksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Shri Gurubhyom Namaha. Today we will be listening to an instance as how Mahaperiva made a person to realize his mistake without punishing him. Once Mahaperiva was camping at Tenampakam in Kanchipuram. It was a few days before Deepavali. Deepavali is celebrated in remembrance of Lord Sri Ram's return to Ayodhya from forest. Deepavali is a festival of lights, fireworks, sweets, and new clothing. 30 to 40 years ago, it is the season where people buy new clothes, prepare sweets, and so on. It is the practice in Kanchimatam to distribute new clothes to the people who serve in Kanchimatam on this occasion. Also, new clothes were distributed to the poor people who visit the Matam. During that time, a group of weavers from Kanchipuram visited Mahaperiva for darshan. The weavers said with great joy that they had made a huge profit on that occasion. They said it was all because of Mahaperiva's blessings. The weavers said that they wanted to thank Mahaperiva by offering new clothes from their business to the Matam so that it can be distributed to the serving members of the Matam and to poor people. Periva blessed them and gave them some prasadam. Next day, a truck with 9 bales of saris and dhotis arrived at the camp. The truck driver kept the bales of clothes in a room allotted by the manager. The manager reported to Mahaperiva that the weavers had sent 9 bales of clothes in a truck and they are kept in the room. Periva said it can be distributed after 2 to 3 days. Whenever the manager passed through the room, he counted the bales to confirm that it was all safe. Generally, things or property of others given to us to be taken care of is considered as a burden until it reaches the hands of the person who is supposed to receive it. That is the reason why the manager was keeping a close watch. After 3 or 4 days, Mahaperiva called the manager and asked him to inform the serving members to assemble in the camp next day along with their families to distribute clothes. The manager did what Mahaperiva had asked him to do. Previous 2 days, the manager was busy with other tasks and could not check the bales properly. The day arrived and Mahaperiva was performing Chandramaulishwara Puja and the clothes were supposed to be distributed after the puja. The manager went to the room and counted the bales. The manager was shocked as one bale was missing. The manager checked with the security guard and asked if he had seen anyone carrying a bale. The guard replied that he did not see anyone. He also checked with the other serving members of the Matam. No one knew about it. The manager was thinking that the person who carried the bale must be a strong and well built person as each bale was very heavy. Mahaperiva was about to finish the Chandramaulishwaran Puja. The serving member had assembled. The manager feared as how he could inform Mahaperiva. The manager thought this message should be conveyed to Mahaperiva. So he went to Mahaperiva to inform about this. He was about to talk when Mahaperiva stopped him. Periva asked the manager to buy 2 liters of sesame oil, a big packet of shikakai powder, and 2 kgs of laddu and asked him to give them all to a person residing at a particular address. Further, Periva asked the manager to inform the person that he should apply all the 2 liters of sesame oil, packet of shikakai powder, and eat all the 2 kgs of laddu by himself and not give it to others. The manager was puzzled as why Mahaperiva said like that, but he went to the market, purchased the items, and went to meet the person. The manager knocked the door, and a person opened the door. The manager said he was from the Matam and was sent by Mahaperiva. The person welcomed the manager and asked him to have a seat. The manager said that Mahaperiva asked me to visit you. The man was puzzled and asked manager what was the reason Mahaperiva had sent him. The manager took out all the items, 2 liters of sesame oil, a big packet of shikakai powder, and 2 kgs of laddu, and said, Mahaperiva asked me to give these items to you for Deepavali. The person looked at the manager with confusion. Further, the manager said, Mahaperiva asked you to use the entire 2 liters of oil, shikakai powder, and eat the 2 kgs of laddu and not give them to the others. The person started crying. Now the manager was puzzled as why the person was crying. The manager apologized if he had said something wrong. The man folded his hands and apologized to the manager. The manager could not understand anything. The person said, Mahaperiva knows everything. He is a jnani. I visited the Matam 2 days ago for Periva's darshan. After the darshan, I came out. I saw huge bales of clothes in a room. It was night and no one was around. I took one bale and left the place. The security guard did not pay much attention to me. I came home with the bale. I was scared and felt guilty. I opened the bale today morning and saw it was full of dhotis. These dhotis were meant to be distributed to people, but I took everything. I did not know why I had such a thought. I do not know how I will face Mahaperiva for forgiveness. The person further said, Since I have taken the clothes which are meant to be distributed to a lot of people, Mahaperiva also wants me to use the entire oil, big packet of shikakai powder, and eat all the laddus by myself. Mahaperiva had done this to correct my mistake. The man apologized to the manager and asked for forgiveness. The manager was dumbstruck. Manager was thinking as how Mahaperiva knew about the missing bale and the person who took the clothes. Mahaperiva's prophecy, that is Jnanadrishti, has no limits. The manager consoled him and was about to leave. The person asked the manager as how he could return the bales back. Can you please ask Mahaperiva? I want to return it back and want to apologize to Periva. The manager said okay and returned to the Matam. In the Matam, the manager narrated everything to Mahaperiva, and Mahaperiva was empathetic to that person. Periva said that the person who took the bale of clothes did not do it intentionally and that he wants to return it back too. Mahaperiva asked the manager to inform the person to bring it back in the morning. The manager did as Mahaperiva told. As per Mahaperiva's instructions, the person brought the bale in the morning to the Matam and started weeping. With a smile, Mahaperiva gave some prasadam and clothes to him. Mahaperiva's blessings completely transformed him to a better person. Mahaperiva never wanted anyone to be punished for their mistakes, but wanted them to realize and correct themselves. Mahaperiva is known as Karunamurti. It is a human's nature to commit mistakes, but it is important that we realize the mistakes and do not commit it in the future. Hara Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara Hara Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara Mahaperiva Sharanam.